What's up, guys? Noah the Gamer Noah here. Welcome back to Never All Things Noah YouTube channel upload. This video today we are going to be talking about how to make great content on YouTube. Hopefully, this video does help you out. If it does, be sure to consider hitting that like button, also hitting that subscribe button. So, my best tips and tricks for making good content on YouTube is to have an eye-catching thumbnail. Always have an eye-catching thumbnail of what type of video you're actually going to be talking about in that video. And be sure it actually is compelling for your viewers to actually get hooked to the video so they can actually continue to watch the video. So definitely have a really eye-catching thumbnail. It's always the best tips. And the best place to actually make a thumbnail, you can actually use Canva, which is free to use. Definitely use Canva. You can also use Photoshop, which is also another software you can also make thumbnails. But what I use Canva. So if you want to make eye-catching thumbnails, definitely use Canva. Sign up for an account for free. And they do have premium features, but mostly the whole entire website is free. So definitely make an eye-catching thumbnail on either Canva or Photoshop. Another tip also as well is to have high quality content. Even if you have a decent camera or a decent laptop that can actually record your gameplay, your your content that you certainly are making, definitely get some very decent equipment of starting out. But later on, definitely upgrade to high quality content later on. Definitely focus on the decent content that you can make right now, and then later save up and actually get the better upgrades later on in your content creation journey. Also, another tip is to be yourself. Be yourself is always most important as a content creator. You have to remind yourself that it's going to take time. It's going to be a journey, and just enjoy yourself. Just enjoy the content that you make every single day. And just remember, just enjoy it. Enjoy the process. Love it. All that kind of stuff. And then also another thing is to select what type of topic you're going to talk about. If you're going to be a gamer, you would cover a certain game that you want to play. If you're an artist, definitely make something around art. If you're a podcaster, cover something that's either around sports or other podcasts that you are interested in that certain theory that you want to talk about on the podcast. So definitely pick up something that you would actually like. So hopefully this video will definitely help you out. If it did, definitely drop a like. Subscribe to the channel for more content. I hope you guys definitely enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out more videos on the All Things Noah YouTube channel. I will see you guys in the next one.